Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to play multiplayer in Crossy Road so you can race with your friends and have more fun while playing with them. Crossy Road added a multiple mode called Crossy Road Friends. To access it, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. To check the latest version, you need to go to the Play Store. To check whether the Crossy Road has been updated to the latest version or not, simply search here Crossy Road and make sure the application is up to date and simply open it. After that, next tap the multiplayer button on the menu. At the below, these are the menu bars. Here you will see the multiplayer option. So these are the two characters showing. This is the multiplayer option. Now you can connect with friends through their username or via room code. In multiplayer, you will race side by side trying to survive longer to get farther than your friend. Or you can play like this also you can play, or you can connect to the another friend account, and through their username or via a room code you can play like that. In multiplayer, you will race side by side trying to survive longer and get farther than your friend. Just keep an eye on hazards like train rewards. They are even trickier when someone else is playing next to you. Remember, multiplayer works best with a stable internet connection, so make sure you are connected before starting a game. And that's how you unlock and play multiplayer in Crossy Roads. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.